Yes, they are. Any type of video that is showing off how they bought this new car, how they crashed this new car, how they flew out 20 girls to Ibiza, how they made $200,000 and spent it on buying this new weird mansion in Dubai is porn. Like, stop trying to cope, bro. Like, literally, that is porn. You are watching it for pleasure. You're not watching it to gain motivation or insight because you're ultimately doing nothing with it. Like, dude, there is no difference from you watching porn because you're specifically just watching it for pleasure with no ultimate result in your life. Like, I don't have the problem with the guys who watch those type of videos, those lifestyle content videos, those videos that are showing off wealth and inspiring people to buy cars and work out to get those cars and actually doing something with it. Like, I don't have any problem with guys actually doing stuff in real life. The problem I have is with guys who are just watching perpetual videos of these young entrepreneurs and doing nothing with any information that they're given. It's literally porn. It literally is porn. But instead of you jerking off and busting to digital pictures, you're just stimulating yourself in a different way, trying to visualize yourself in that Ferrari, in that Lambo, but without you doing anything special with that type of energy, that type of motivation that you see that you have, that you got from watching that video. I don't have any problem with guys taking action and watching those videos because you're actually doing something. Like, I do watch those videos too, but I am taking action. I am creating content. I am building the future that I want for myself rather than going on to the next video. Then if you're the guy who's sitting there watching videos of Brez Skills crashing his second, third Lambo, of Iman Gadzi buying 2 cars that could surpass your generational wealth in the same day, and doing nothing with the insights and the motivation that you gain, then you have a serious problem because you are just watching lifestyle content porn. You are no different from the Guna. Genuinely speaking, you are no different from the Guna because ultimately you guys are just wasting your own time. Sure, the vices are completely different. Yes, actual adult content is very disgusting and it has negative repercussions, but then you're still doing nothing. You're on the same level. You're on the same level. So if you're the type of person who just watches lifestyle content for the sake of watching them and doing nothing with the motivation and doing nothing with the little tidbit insights and the little advice that you're given within those videos, then there's something wrong. Then there's something wrong with you. And the only advice that I can give you and preach to you today right now is not some weird tactic on putting, oh yeah, download this app on your phone, do this and that. Like, no, my friend, I'm not going to give you that. I'm going to give you the advice that has worked for ages. Delete those apps and learn to be still with yourself. Cut off every distraction and learn to sit by yourself. That's the only way you're going to make progress in your life. I want you to delete your Instagram, your Snapchat, your TikTok, your Reddit, any type of social media thing. Like, delete it and take a break from it, whether it's a week, whether it's a month, how long you want it, right? And this advice is coming from a guy who had deleted all of those apps for 2 years. Like, the only reason why I have those apps now is because I started posting content last year. That's the only reason why I got back into it. And the funny thing about once you do that, once you actually take yourself seriously and delete these apps and actually take a step back from the whole hustle culture or work this, get that, make these amount of figures at this certain age, at a really young age, once you take a step back and take a full view of who you really are, the motivation will come within you. You won't need any type of lifestyle video to push you to do the things that you need to do. Because you have found something internal with yourself. You are beginning to tame the chaos within you. Because, dude, social media platforms are the epitome of your problems. Like, they're the things that are causing most of your problems in your life. Your inability to focus, your inability to think for yourself, your inability to actually do stuff with your life is mostly caused by social media. And so I want you to take a step back. I want you to stop watching all of these lifestyle videos. Heck, even stop watching my videos, right? Like, stop watching me. Take a step back, breathe, relax, delete everything, learn to be still within yourself, meditate, fix your mind, tame the chaos and weaponize your mind, and improve yourself every day. This is literally my philosophy. Kaizen. 1% increments every day. And you're not gonna make those increments with you just watching video after video after video of seeing young guys live their life, making millions of dollars every year, while you're still stuck at home at your dark, dingy room, watching another video of saying, oh, I'll get there one day, without even doing anything with the motivation that you claim to gain from those videos. Like, take a step back. Stop watching these vlog lifestyle, how to make millions of this is how I made $20,000, $200,000 a month at the age of 19. Like, stop it. It's not gonna benefit you if you're the guy who's not gonna do anything with it. You know yourself. Stop bullshitting. You know yourself. You know that you're gonna watch the next video after watching 4 vlogs of the same thing going on, just a different person with a different amount of money, flexing different cars in a different region. Maybe it's Bali or Thailand. You know that after that, once you scroll again, you're gonna watch 15 more short form videos of other people living their lives, trying to motivate you, give you tips and tricks, you liking, reposting, and going on with your day with ultimately nothing to show for it. You know yourself. Stop it. Don't bullshit yourself, man. You know this. You need to take your life seriously. Delete everything. Be still. Calm down, G.
Calm down, G.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Okay? And take a step away from these things. Because I know the type of human being you want to be. You want to be the best version of yourself. You want to control yourself. You want to control your mind. You want to make everything that you envision appear into the reality that you want for yourself. So why don't you start with this first step of deleting things and taking a step back? And so once you've gained the insight by being by yourself, trusting your own situation, your own intuition, your own gut feeling, and you made the decision that this is what I want with my life, go attack it. The world is yours. The only thing that is stopping you is you. Because we live in a time where AI can give us the blueprint to anything we want. We live in a time where we could contact someone in Japan who can help us with something that we need. The only thing that is stopping you is you. As long as you have a phone and Wi-Fi connection, you can conquer anything that you want in this life. As long as it's not like malicious and, ill intent, or like cause another human harm, you can do anything you want. So stop watching those type of videos. Take a step back, breathe, okay? And learn to be with yourself. Be still. Psalms 46 verse 10. Be still and know that I am God. Like, you need to be still. Take a breather. Take a break from social media. And learn who you are. Learn where you come from. Learn your origin. And with that, thank you for watching. I've got free stuff in the bio, in the description of this video. And I am. Goodbye, cousin.